Lahore and speak to Muneeb Qadir, who is a professor of constitutional law. Welcome to TRT World's News Hour. Tell us, will the Constitutional Court reverse this decision? Can it even do that? Or is Pakistan's law different?
Now, I've been reading what the legal experts in the country have been saying. There is a huge section of the legal profession which says that the Election Commission of Pakistan, which has disqualified Imran Khan today, did not have the jurisdiction to do so. They only had the jurisdiction to refer someone in Imran Khan's position for criminal investigation. But then there are lawyers who would look at the Election Act 2017 or the Constitution Article 62 and 63 as giving the jurisdiction to the ECP to be able to declare a particular appointee or a particular public office holder to be disqualified. And so there is a division of opinion here. But in all likelihood, the PTI is going to, in Imran Khan, they are going to appeal to the Islamabad High Court. And ultimately, the battle could play itself out all the way to the Supreme Court.
Okay.
And now whether the Supreme Court reverses the ECP decision or not, now that remains to be seen.
And of course, we've seen some of his supporters already taking to the streets. And one of the guests that we had earlier on one of our shows said that this ruling could even make Imran Khan even more popular. What do you make of that?
Imran Khan is already very popular, and that is beyond doubt. But the thing is that I don't believe that this ruling would make him any less or any more popular. It would just show the public how popular he really is when the public will take to the streets. There's already news that a lot of people have come out onto the streets, but Imran Khan's opponents are underplaying it. They're saying, no, there are not that many people out. But the point is, or the thing is, that it's not how popular someone is. To me, what matters is whether the ECP's findings are based on solid evidence, because what the ECP has given declared in its verdict, it's devastating. It's a devastating blow for Imran Khan and his brand of politics.
But let's talk about that, Muneeb, a bit more. Sorry to interrupt, because I just find it fascinating. Why would he sell gifts worth over $600,000 in exchange for money?
No, that is something that even I can't find the answer.
Right, this is the claim, right? This is the claim, isn't it? This is the claim, just to be clear for our audience,
Yeah, that he sold gifts without informing the cabinet division, which belonged to the state, and he, he fetched like around 58 million rupees by selling them. And that is a serious allegation against him, not just an allegation, it's a finding of the ECP. And when that happens, I believe that this is the topic that we need to be debating, not whether Imran Khan is popular or not. Yes. Because I know of a lot of popular politics, but when Imran Khan came into power, his whole politics was based on the narrative of eliminating corruption and taking out the thieves from the politics. He labeled his opposition as thieves. So this is damning for Imran Khan's brand of politics, which, he's always claimed that he is honest and upright. And now when the ECP has said this, not the first time, for the second time, because recently the ECP also found that Imran Khan's political party had received prohibited funding in breach of electoral laws, in breach of the constitution, in breach of all our accountability laws. So then that puts Imran Khan in a very tough spotlight. And he has to answer for that.
Very, very interesting indeed. And what happens next now? And when could this be taken higher, overturned? When would the appeal possibly take place? How fast could it all move?
Given the momentum that is being built by PTI and its supporter base, it could be a matter of weeks. Because usually I've seen the trend has been that Imran Khan, whenever he's tried to take his cases to the courts, to the judiciary, they've been very receptive to him, and they've been very accommodating to him even. Because the last time in July, he went all the way to Supreme Court with respect to the election in the province of Punjab. So it could be a matter of weeks, but I cannot predict. It's very difficult to predict what the superior courts are going to decide. All that one can say is that there is going to be a lot of division among the public, because he's very popular, but at the same time there are people like me who would ask for accountability, even if it's someone as popular as Imran Khan.
Fascinating. Muneeb Qadir, thank you so much for speaking to us there live from Lahore. Really appreciate it.